Alright, Michael, sorry for the delay in making your tutorial. I'm going to go quickly so that we can get this done. So, you have seen you've been able to log in already, so you understand the dynamics of that one. We're going to do a quick tutorial, and these are the things you need to jot down before you start. The title, the article, and then you need some tags. Don't forget to, these things are so important in making a publication. If you don't make them, the whole point of making it is useless, because when people search for it, they won't find it. You need to put at least 5 tags. Then the focus keyword phrase, never forget this one, it's so important. Is the main phrase that people that's about the whole publication. So if you look, you see that the focus keyword phrases runs through the article. So if you are making an article about Shatawale will be the focus keyword phrase. You see. Okay, so we'll talk more on that later. Now let me do this thing quickly so that you see how we go about it. You already know how to log in, so let me use your details. When you come, okay, I don't know if you've changed your password already. Alright, there you go. So after you log in, you go straight to post. You come here straight to post. You click post. You don't even need to click on it. You just put your hand, hover your mouse over it, and then you click add new. I'll be making 2 types of tutorials so that you know how to go about the 2 of them. One is a music and one is just an article. So let me start with the article. So you put in the title, Ghana Parliament. Okay. And look at this. Have you seen what I've done here? Always put the first letter like so. Ghana Parliament. You see, finally is not really important. Approves, capital. You see, on this proposition, small letter. Then you see this. It makes it very nice. This is how they usually do it. Then you put in the article. When you put in the article, you see how it has come. This is not a good publication, so you usually have to put spacing in between. You press enter. Then you see there's a line here, so you just come down to this line and press backspace. Then you see it's now organized. Let me do it this way so that you understand. Okay, you see it has left some space. Let me go through this quickly. I'm just putting some spaces in between so that it looks presentable. If not, there's a conclusion. Enter. All I'm doing is hitting enter. So now, have you seen, if we look through, you see that there's some space in between. It's not very good. It's very bad for making publications. So what you do is you come here, you see the A, you press backspace. Now it has pushed it up. You can come down here, the it, you press backspace just to align it so that it looks beautiful when they are reading it. Backspace. I could make a space here, but I'm just leaving that one. Or I can even add this to it, you see, and then backspace. Backspace. Okay. Backspace. Alright, so we are done with the article and we are done with the title. So sometimes if you want illustrations, you can put a picture inside. Let's find a quick picture just to show you. AFT, what's the name of this thing? Secretariat. I just want to find a quick picture we can use. And it's here. Let's say we just want to spice the publication for it to look appealing. You can just come and click here. You can put multiple photos by using the gallery, but we can just put one picture here. I just drag it here and drop it. Then if you want, you can put a caption. You know, if you know what it's about, but I'm just leaving it here for just to beautify the publication. Then this is the important part. You come here, document, okay? When you come, you scroll down and then you find the category. If you don't put a category, they don't know where the article is going to go. So this is politics, you know, parliament stuff. So you go straight for politics and social matters. If you see uncategorized, if it's ticked, always untick it. It won't put it in a good place. So yeah, then the tags. I jotted some tags down, but when you look at this article, these are the tags you can think about. This one, AFT Secretariat, okay? These are the things people will be looking for if they want to find this article. After writing it, you just press comma and you wait for it to load inside. Then when it loads, we can add another one, Ghana Parliament. Parliament here. Then you press comma and just wait for it to load. Then you can do something like Ghana News. Okay, then comma. Then you can do something like Ghana Government. And you go, the spelling is wrong. Alright, then you go comma. Okay, so when you're done with the 3 or 4 or 5 tags, maximum 5, minimum 3, okay? Then we find a featured image. You come here. And let me see a good picture that we can use as featured image. Yeah, so I can even use this one. Always find a picture that is big, clean, and clear, and you know, it talks about what's going on. I don't know the image to use here. Okay, so this is Ghana Parliament. I can find Ghana Parliament image to use. Let me see. Okay, so you see this is 600 by, but it's not clear, it's blur. We can use this. So this is much better. So always don't forget to name it. This one, it helps with optimization. Ghana Parliament, or we can even use the name of the title. This yeah. Okay, it helps with optimization for search if you name the picture as the name of the publication or a tag in the publication. So I come here, click on featured image, I click on this box, then I wait for it to load. After it loads, yeah, I can see you just made some publications. Nice work. I just drag this like this and put it inside, or you can click it and do it manually how you did it. Now when you come here, don't forget this one. It helps with SEO. SEO is so important. You will learn when I start teaching you affiliate marketing. You need to always optimize it for search so that Google gives you the upper hand on the search results. So we're done with this one. Then you come down. So we're done with this side, okay? Then you need to come down here. This is the premium theme we are using. These are settings. So you come here and you go, primary category is politics and social matters. Then you come down. If there's a source, you can't be copying and pasting articles from other sites. We don't allow that. You're supposed to, even if you want to take an article from maybe Ghana Web, you have to change the whole text and then change the title as well. If not, it will be duplicate content on Google, and Google strikes, websites like that. It won't make our sites grow. So you are not allowed to use that. But in case there's a source or where you want to show like where the content is coming from, you can put the source URL here, Ghana Web. Okay, now this is the one you shouldn't forget at all. Focus keyword phrase. It is so important. It is so important. Without this one, you are lost. People pay just so that they can add multiple focus keyword phrases, and always try to make your focus keyword phrase be one, like be in the title or the first paragraph. Here you see what they are showing you here. So in this sense, this one is not even a good focus keyword phrase, but because it's in the title, I'll leave it here. But under normal circumstances, we should do something like, you see, parliament will be a better, you see, it has become black. Yeah, it will show you. If I even do African continental, you see that it will mark that one too. So that's how to usually use the something in the first paragraph. Okay, but for this one, let me just use this focus keyword phrase. Okay, then we are done. If you want, you can decide to schedule the article before you click publish. You see, you can decide to schedule it immediately or maybe for the future. You can click here and decide when in the future you want it to show. Okay, but for these purposes, we are doing it immediately. So I'll just go ahead and then I'll click publish. And that's it. You're done making the publication. So I'll go over and then I'll try teaching you how to make a music publication so that you can do that in the future as well. Okay.